Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Gmail reverse conversation order. If your Gmail messages are showing in a reverse conversation order that feels confusing or harder to follow, this quick setting change can help make your inbox easier to read. We'll walk through exactly where to go and what to change so your emails display in a way that's more manageable. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and going to your inbox. Make sure the page has fully loaded so all of the menu options are visible before moving on. Once you're in Gmail, look to the upper area of the screen for the gear icon. This is the Settings menu. Click that gear icon to open the Quick Settings panel. If you don't see it right away, give the page a moment, or check the top right area of the Gmail window where settings normally appear. When the Settings panel opens, choose See All Settings. This will take you to the full Gmail settings page where you'll have access to more detailed options than the Quick panel provides. This is important because the conversation display setting we need is found in the full settings view. After that, stay on the General Settings section and scroll down until you find Conversation View. This setting controls whether related email replies are grouped together into a single thread. If reverse conversation order is causing confusion, turning Conversation View off can make each message appear separately, which many people find easier to read and organize. When you locate Conversation View, click the Off option. This changes Gmail so it no longer groups messages into threaded conversations. If your inbox has been difficult to follow because replies seem to appear in an order that doesn't feel intuitive, this adjustment can help simplify the layout. Next, continue scrolling down the page until you find Save Changes. Be sure not to leave the settings page before doing this, or your change may not be applied. Once you see the button, click Save Changes to confirm the update. Gmail will refresh and return you to your inbox. At that point, your new settings should be active. If the inbox still looks the same at first, give it a moment to reload completely. You can also reopen an email to check whether messages are now appearing in the way you expect. And that's it. You've updated the Gmail conversation setting to help fix reverse conversation order and make your emails easier to navigate.